proiektu gehienek helburuarekin lotutako erakunde sozial batekin lankidetza egitea behartzen edo gomendatzen dute orokorrean.
Zer erakunde sozialekin lan egin aldugu?
Hautatu dugun helburu sozialarekin lotutako ze erakunde ezagutzen ditugu gure herrian?
Kanpainaren bat dute martxan, bat ere ez badugu ezagutzen?
Non aurkitu dezakegu informazioa?
Gero, batera egin dezakeguna ikusi dezagun.
Entitate sozialak behar duen zerbitzua gure esku dago, ordutegia, garraioa, gure baliabideak.
Guk egin dezakeguna entitatearen interesekoa da?
Entitate soziala gure proiektua jarraitzeko eta gu laguntzeko prest dago?
Eta azkenik, hel gaitezen akordio batera.
Bi aldetatik kolaboratzeko aukera badago, bakoitzaren irresponsabilitateak zehazten dituen dokumentua eratu beharko da.
Eta bertan, zerbitzuaren oinarri nagusiak ezarri beharko dira ere.
Kaixo, Paula, esan aldiguzu zergatik hasi zinen odolbankuarekin lankidetzan?
Nik klasean beti parte hartu dut. Bakoitzaren iritzia ematea eta besteok entzutea oso garrantzitsua dela uste dut. Eta hau, odolbankuaren odolbilketa eta distribuzioa egiten duen erakunde garrantzitsuen bihurtzeko ekimenarekin bat dator.
Zergatik partu hartu zenuen azaldu aldiguzu?
Uste dut, odolbankuak antolatu zuen lehenengo bizita izan zela gehien motibatu nintuena. Bertan, transmititu nahi zizkiguten gogoak sentitu ahal izan nituen, horrela odola ematea zein garrantzitsua den ulertu genezan.
Zure erabakian zerikusia izan zuten beste arrazoiren bat?
Irakaslearekin egindako lanak eduki zuen zerikusia ere. Bukaerar arte lagundu zidan, antolaketan, publizitatean, odolbankuaren unitatearen instalazioan, gomendatzen dut.
Gaurko bideoa donazioaz eta eskuzabaltasunaz dihardu.
Komunitate askotan, gazteek odolemate kanpainak antolatzen dituzte bere auzoan.
Zuek ezin dute odolik eman, baina gazteek odolbankuarekin lankidetzan dabiltza.
Edapen kanpaina egiten dute, odolabatu eta nagusi gehiago odolemaile bihurtzea lortzen dute.
Zuk ere egin dezakezu nahi baduzu.
If I go before I say to everyone in my ballet, let me take this chance. Thank you for the dance. If I run out of songs to sing, to take your mind off everything, just smile. Sit a while with the sun on your face and remember the place we met. Take a breath and soon I bet you'll see. Without you I will never be me. You are the leaves of my family tree. Sing to we met last week at the grocery mart. Just sing together. It's the least that I can do. My final gift to you. Settle down, watch the world go round. Send down all the love we got, and let them know we got a spot for them to be. And it's all free, the sun on your face face and remember the place we met. Take a breath and soon I bet you'll see, without you I would never be me. You are the leaves of my family tree. Sing together. If you knew me from the very start, or not at all, you're still a part. Just sing together. It's the least that I can do, my final gift to you. Teach me to fall and I'll teach you to sing. When life keeps stealing your melody around your finger, I'll be a string. I will forget everything I know about love. I don't know about love. Sure feels good at first. If you promise not to laugh and I end up in a cast from falling over, and you can't get mad when some girl you think I had puts a story in your head when I hardly know her. So about love, I don't know about love. Sure feels good at first. Oh, every spring there's a honeybee that stings, so things can change. Oh, every fire gets too close and it reminds you things can change in love. But it sure feels good at first. For every heartbreak there's a sermon to be said, and this pastor in my head is preaching to the choir. Don't get me wrong, cause it's too soon to decide, but this ain't my first rodeo, and my heart's been roped and tied in love. I don't know about love, but it sure feels good at first. Oh, every autumn colors come that you've forgotten, so things can change. Oh, every frost, some live on and some are lost, so things can change in love. But it sure feels good at first. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. But it sure felt good at first.
This is how it works. It feels a little worse than when we drove our hearse right through that screaming crowd, while laughing up a storm until we were just bone, until it got so warm that none of us could sleep, and all the styrofoam began to melt away. We tried to find some worms to aid in the decay, but none of them were whole inside the catacomb. A million ancient bees began to sting our knees while we were on our knees, praying that disease would leave the ones we love and never come again. On the radio, we heard November Rain. It solos real long, but it's a pretty song. We listened to it twice, cause the DJ was asleep. You're young until you're not. You love until you don't. You try until you can't. You laugh until you cry. You cry until you laugh. And everyone must breathe until the dying breath. No, this is how it works. You peer inside yourself. You take the things you like and try to love the things you took. And then you take that love you made and stick it into someone else's heart, pumping someone else's blood and walking arm in arm. You hope it don't get harmed, but even if it does, you'll just do it all again. And on the radio, you'll hear November Rain. That solo's awful long, but it's a good refrain. You listen to it twice, cause the DJ is asleep on the radio.
Eta bagoaz zazpigarren unitatea maitzen, proiektua garatu dezagun. Bigarren unitatea, erakundearekin kontaktuan jarka daitezen.
Eta azkenik unitateko galdetegia betetzea eskatuko dizugu. Zuek zuzendu eta zuen nota jarri ahal duzue.
Erraza da, eta hobeto taldean egiten baduzue. Horrela proiektu interesgarri bat hasi ahalko duzue.
Aurrera ba, erritmo honean goaz bideon batetik. Hurrengo unitatera arte.
Oso interesgarri. Proiektuaren antolakuntza